Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So this is the final video where I will be showing how to make Durga necklace. So let's get started. I have done, I have taken my mold and this 3D, I have prepared Devi Maa face. From, you can use any clay, soft clay or super clay, polymer clay, any kind of clay. You can use fabrical clay also. Okay, so this is the white I have used. Okay, and the second step, what you need to do, you have to take your yellow color and you have to color very well, because I have not colored, because that it will take lots of time, so that's why I have already colored it. And the second step is that you have to color, and after that you have to color the white color in the eyes. And third one, here you have to put, this is the third eye of Devi Ma. Okay, now after that what you need to do, you have to take the red color and you have to make the lips, bindi, and one stroke of red. And now the third step, you have to make the eyebrows of Devi Ma and make the eyes. Okay, already you have impression in this. Okay, so you can easily create. And after that you have to make the design from your brush, and your black color is also, you can put the hair. So this is how you can prepare your Devi Ma face, or you can this is how you can prepare your 3D Devi Ma face. Okay, now I am going to show how to make crown. Okay, so this is the lace which I am going to use. For this lace you have to you have to take, so this is the way you have to put your Devi Ma crown. Okay, and if you want to make little bit heavy, what you need to do, you have to take your lace and the same, and you can put here. And after that you can just place the glue and you can put like this. Okay, so your crown is ready. Okay, I have already done the preparation and I have done all the things. So this is the I have prepared already. I have placed the mukut of Devi Ma, and I have put some stones here. And first of all, what you need to do, I am telling you, I have taken a one circle and I have placed the maroon color or red color. If you have paper, and I would not recommend that you should make the paper, you have to take the fabric. I have taken the fabric, and after that I have placed it. Okay, and I have put some stone, and after that I have used my kaudi. Okay, and this is the dori I have attached. And after that what I have done, I have placed a dori. So basically I want to tell you that what is the exactly process. So I have done lots of things already. So this is how you can prepare your Devi Ma necklace. And you have to put two flowers, like I have already made it. Two flowers I have done also. So this is how you can create your Devi Ma necklace. And I hope you like my video, and I hope you like my video, And thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.